Hey guys, Funsho here from We Coach Crypto. Hope you're all doing well. We've had a good weekend. Right, brief market update. Just want to get everybody's heads into play. What's going on? Lots of fear in the market at the moment, and it's just to make sure that people just stay calm, understand what is going on, why it's going on, and what's likely to unfold after this last leg down that I expect us to have. So first things first, I'm going to talk to you about the Fear and Greed Index. So this is a really good way for you to get an understanding as to what people's feelings are across the board in the crypto market. Okay, so it's currently at number 23, which is extreme fear. Now, with extreme fear, you get a lot of not so smart people that are in the crypto space that end up selling, running away, they're scared, and it's understandable. I get why they do that, because if prices are starting to tumble and roll over and you're someone that's sort of day trading or swing trading, that's not a good environment for you to be in, obviously, because you're not going to be making profits unless you're short in the market. But as a long-term investor, this creates opportunity for us, but it also means that we have to wait it out while the prices start to come down. And guys, it is what it is. You've got two choices. Stick where you are with that long-term investment plan and strategy, knowing that long-term, these prices are going to come good for you. You're going to get fantastic returns, okay? And buy the dips. So I expect this to roll over. I expect us to get Bitcoin to at least 37.5k roughly. If we break that level of support, then I can see us coming down as far as 27, even 25k Bitcoin price. I don't see us coming any lower than that, but at the end of the day, anything can happen. This for me is the final leg of a corrective bull phase with an A, B, C, D, E setup on the charts. Now, I've spoken to our inner circle about this previously. I did say to them that I was expecting to see the price of Bitcoin and the crypto market start to come down a bit lower, which would present a really good entry point for people that want to further accumulate, buy that dip, get into some of these projects that they've been looking at. There are certain projects in the space at the moment that have got so much hype around them, and you're about to get them at an even better discount. Okay, look at Near Protocol, look at Zilliqa. Both of these have seen like double-digit losses, but they're hot projects and they're quality. Zilliqa have got their metaverse that they're building, and it's very different to what other people have done. Near Protocol, fantastic project. It is going places, and its structure is bullish. But obviously, this is all market dependent. It's Bitcoin dependent. And we've got to wait to see what Bitcoin does before we get an indicator as to what will happen with the rest of the market's performance. With that said, I also want to come on to a couple of news stories that really did get my attention. Okay, first one, as I said, Zilliqa and Near Protocol have suffered double-digit losses as the crypto market has dipped. Okay, and that to me presents an opportunity when the market's in the red and everyone's really quiet and not happy about what their portfolio looks like. I love that. That is a great time to go in there and scoop up some great opportunities. So yeah, Zilliqa was down about 14% on Monday. All right, and let me get on to Near Protocol. Near Protocol was down about 10%. It was at about $13.70. These projects, both of them, okay, they're great projects. They've got hype around them. They've already seen a nice push, okay, but with what's going on with the market, they've obviously dropped that straight back off again. What this means is when the market picks back up and we finally hit the bottom, okay, however long it takes, a month, 2 months, 3 months, a week, nobody knows for sure. But what we do know is when the market bottoms out, if you're sat in the right projects, wherever the hype is, wherever the adoption is, whatever projects have actually got quality, intrinsic value that are solving a problem, that's where you make serious money. And I do believe that Near Protocol and Zilliqa are safe bets. I really do. You're going to get a good return, okay? Better than what Bitcoin's going to bring you, because they're way more aggressive, the alts. You know, if you've been in this space, you know that already. I've had many conversations with a lot of my clients, some of which are looking to hoard Bitcoin. Some of them are using Bitcoin to get them more Bitcoin further down the line. Whichever way you choose to look at this, the numbers don't lie, okay? Bitcoin's a great store of value, and when you give it a comparison to, you know, some of the stock market and some of the ISAs and savings accounts that are out there, Bitcoin's a great performer. But when you start looking at the rest of the crypto market, if you're sat in the right places, you're doing 10, 20, 50 times more than what Bitcoin can bring you. Yes, there is more risk. And of course, guys, as you know, this is all educational and it's not financial advice. But if you do your homework and you're sat in front of the right type of projects, you can get a pretty penny on a return. So I just wanted to make you guys aware of that. Okay, there are two projects that I'm really bullish for the future. Also metaverse as well. As you guys know, I'm mad on the metaverse, blockchain gaming. I think we're at a point now, we're at a turning point where sand, as in the sandbox, and also Decentraland, which is Mana, the ticker for it, these two for me have solidified themselves now. Okay, they're the go-to metaverse places. Now, there's going to be lots of people that come along that will build their own version of the metaverse, and some of them might be really good, some of them might not be very good. Ultimately, I feel like these two are the best horses to back in this race of building the ultimate metaverse and experience. We're at a very early stage, and we're starting to see a lot of things change. So, you know, I've been in the crypto market for many years now, and to think that the metaverse would even be a thing when I was just looking at Bitcoin and Ethereum only back in the day, is just mind-blowing. DeFi and, you know, NFTs, it's just crazy. But you've got to look at Sandbox for what it is, okay, and look at who they've actually got building and operating and working within their metaverse. Huge names. I've mentioned them God knows how many times. Snoop Dogg, The Walking Dead, you know, Bored Ape Yacht Club. The list goes on. Then on Decentraland side, they've got Samsung in there, okay? And they've got kind of a little bit of a smoother graphics situation going on. So depending on whether you like that Minecraft kind of feel, or whether you like something that's a little bit higher quality, they're the two front runners for me. And it's definitely an area that people that are investing in the crypto space should have some form of exposure to. The metaverse and blockchain gaming are going to be huge this year, I can assure you. Play to earn gaming as well, massive. There's a lot of information that we share in our inner circle and in our Discord server, where we've got a set area just for the metaverse. We've got a set channel just for play to earn gaming, because these things are blowing up, absolutely blowing up. There was a crypto gem that we put in about a week ago now, called MEVR. Now, granted, this project was not something fantastic that we were telling people go and buy and hold and hodl it forever. It was more so we could see where the hype was going to be. Metaverse, virtual reality, augmented reality. Now, MEVR was a fairly new project on the Binance Smart Chain. We told our people about it. Within a matter of a few days, it was up over 2,000%. You know, it pays to have the knowledge and the foresight as to where this marketplace is going, because it gives you the opportunity to create your own opportunities, not just for you, but for the entire community, which is what we're about here at We Coach Crypto. We can all win together. But yeah, guys, look, if you want information, latest news, articles, crypto gems, come and talk to us in the Discord. It's completely free. Okay, the link is in the description below. If you've liked the video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up to help us on that algorithm to make sure that we're sharing this information with as many people as we can. Hope you all have a fantastic day, and I look forward to catching up with you guys in the next one. Take care.